Okay guys, so here we are going to use a website called Canva.com. This Canva account is where you're going to do the majority of your thumbnails and your channel art and your artwork. We're going to go for a personal account. Start your first design. What do we want? Well, if we type in YouTube, we can see here suggested, we get YouTube channel art, and it shows you the dimensions of that there. So we've selected YouTube channel art, and you can see we have some templates here. We want to use our brand, and our channel is called Awesome YouTuber, so we can just change the text in one of these here. It's important to notice this. Do you notice how all the text is in a band across the middle? It's in a band across the middle because this channel art, it sizes up to fit a TV. If you think about devices that you watch YouTube on, it's anything from a mobile phone up to a TV. So we need to make sure that this artwork is big enough. We're just going to pick one of these, but we want to bear in mind when we did our channel research and looking into the niche, we said the colors that we decided on were the green, the blue, and the red. Those Minecrafty colors. The closest thing I think that we have to this really is this thumbnail with the gaming controllers on it. I'm going to change this to the name of my channel. So we've got Awesome YouTuber, that is the channel name, and you can edit the text. You've got a toolbar at the top here. I'm going to change that color for a new color, and I'm going to go for a green. What effect can we get with this? I'm going to do some drop shadow on that. That looks cool. That's the name of the channel, but I want it to look more Minecrafty. In the sidebar, we have lots of buttons to get to the tools to create our artwork. I'm going to look in the photos for anything to do with Minecraft. But these aren't Minecrafty enough. So what do you do when you've run out of images? Well, I've got another website for you. And that other website is a website called Pixabay, Pixabay.com. And Pixabay is awesome, and you can see here this looks more like the real deal. These are the things that I'm looking for. It's worth creating an account for this, and then you don't have to fill in the captcha every time you want to download an image. And worth looking at is in this drop down here, you can see it says images, photos, vector graphics. Vector graphics are great, and illustrations. If we look in the vector graphics, we can see that we've got this Minecraft table block. I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna use that on my channel art. I'm gonna download that one there. For now, we are going to put that into our folder. All our images are all in one folder so that we're not hunting around for them. I'm gonna download that one because even though I might not need it, it's good to have it there. Let's have a look at images. I like this little dude. We'll have him. I'm going to use that little dude for my profile icon. And then going back to images, I can see there are lots of other images here. What I want is some scenery, a background as well. I'll just download a few images while I'm here. And they might come in for my thumbnails later on. These are copyright free. You will not get into bother for using these images. Let's get this guy. We'll download that. So we're just getting that whole branding thing together. The look and the style. So we have a lot of images now to work with. And that means we can go back over to Canva. And now we are back in our Canva profile, and now it's time to upload those images that we had before. Now I've uploaded a few of these here, but I'm going to upload some more of these images. I'm going to take this image and I'm going to make this my backdrop, and I'm stretching that out to fill the canvas. If you notice, it's hidden everything. Now what I can do is I can switch positions on this and I can send it to the back. Now I've sent it to the back. Can you see how everything has come forward? So I've changed the colors. The thing I've noticed is this green, it doesn't pop. So I'm going to change the color of my text again. So I've changed the color of that text just so it pops a little bit more. And you know what? We'll call that quit. It's up to you. You let your creativity rip with that. You can style it however you want. It's up to you. Explore Canva and you will find it will give you lots lots of options to create artwork. So now we've created that channel art, what we're going to do, we're going to download the file. You've got to watch out for the file size. If this is too big, then it will not upload. So to just kind of get around that, I'm going to use a JPEG, download that, and that is in my folder, ready to upload to my channel once I have created my channel. Notice, guys, we haven't even created a channel yet. We're looking at creating the artwork and the branding beforehand. You do not want to set up your channel and then just try and decide what niche you are going for. Start with the niche. So now we're going to create our YouTube icon for our profile picture. If I click on YouTube icon, you can see that there are more of these templates here for you to use. But what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to create one from scratch. So if I click on blank there, remember those images that we uploaded? Those images are in our upload section. Let's use the pig. I'm going to stretch it out because I want to put it there. And you know what? I want to put some text above as well, and the text I'm going to put is something that will pop, and we're going to use those Minecraft colors again. Remember, we had the blue, we had the green, and we had the red. And look at that one. Will that one pop? So what we do is we just write the word awesome because we are the awesome channel. I might want to pick a specific font for that, but I can get to the fonts up here. Like I say, spend some time in here making sure you get used to using Canva. I'm going to download that one as well. Now that we've created the channel art and your channel icon, it's time to go create your Google account and create your YouTube channel, and then upload your artwork to that channel.